Here is how to get copyright free songs from Facebook. Go to that three dashes up there, click on that, then navigate to professional dashboard and scroll down to get the monetization. Just click on that monetization, and then under not yet eligible, you will see a lot of incentives here. As you can see, stars, ads on rails, bonuses. I just need one of them is enough. I will click on that ads on rails, and then that will take me to this interface. I will go straight to learn more, and that will take me to another interface. Go click on that three dashes up there, and then go for the tools. Okay, click on that drop down list beside the tools, click, and then go click on sound collection. Scroll down, click on that link. That will take you here. Go check I have read and agreed, and then go for agree. Here you will see the sound collection. You can sort them by, most popular, recently added. You can sort them by genre, by modes, and equally durations. Okay, just play around with that, and once you are done with the search, you can preview that by playing it. If that is what you need, then go for the download icon. Click on that download icon to download the song. Then go for continue. It is free, and you're not going to have any problem with copyright, because this sound collection page is provided by Facebook for the creators to use. So you're not going to be punished for using them. Okay. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.